Hola, buenos días y ¿qué tal vosotros? It's Steve French here, and in this particular video I'm going to give you one top tip on how you can super boost your grades in Spanish. Let's get going. Use comparatives. You might be thinking, well, what is a comparative? I'm going to give you a couple of examples in English, then we're going to go into the Spanish, and then we're done. So what is a comparative? A comparative is when you say something is bigger or smaller than something. In other words, you go big, bigger, that's the comparison, biggest. Small, smaller, smaller is the comparison, smallest, smallest. So a comparative is when you compare something with something else. Bigger, smaller, taller, shorter. You get the idea. And as you can see on the screen here, I'm just highlighting examples of that. But how can you do that in Spanish, and why does that actually mean that your grades are going to get higher? It means your grades are going to get higher because you're using more sophisticated Spanish. And it means that you can make longer sentences as well. Let's give you a couple of examples, firstly, of the Spanish itself. So, for example, taller, in Spanish you say más alto. Shorter, you say más bajo. And quicker, you say más rápido. So basically, you've got the adjective, the describing word, and in front of it, you're putting the word más. So, más alto, más alta. You get the idea. Más, more. This is literally what it means. More tall, more short. That's literally what you're saying. But in English, we just stick an ER on the end of the adjective. Let's give you a couple of examples. Then you can get back to the other videos on YouTube, the ones you prefer. You know what I mean. Okay, so here's the first one. Soy más alto que mi hermano, pero más bajo que mi hermano mayor. Mi hermana mayor. Soy más alto que mi hermano. So I am more tall or taller than my brother, but más bajo, shorter than my elder sister. So you get the idea here. We've got the más alto and más bajo in this particular example. And of course, if you are female, you'd say something, well, you would say, soy más alta que mi hermano, pero más baja que mi hermana mayor. And what we're doing there is, because you're female, we're making that O go to an A there, and that O go to an A there. Okay, just one more example, then I'm going to wrap it up. El tren es más rápido que el coche, pero el avión es más rápido que el tren. So here's my comparative, más rápido. Rápido meaning quick or fast, más rápido, faster. So the train is quicker than the car, pero el avión es más rápido que el tren, but the plane is quicker than the train. And here we've got our comparison again, más rápido. That's it then. Hope you found it useful. If you did, why not give it a thumbs up? And if you want notifications, why don't you click that bell icon? I see everybody says that on YouTube videos. Click that bell icon, and then you'll get every update that I put up on YouTube, and these are happening really regularly now.